Just wait for the cars to pass. All right, looks like it's break. So how do you avoid a Facebook group that's full of crickets? Well, you want to gamify the indoctrination process. So you can't just let everybody join and then let them kind of figure it out. A mistake that I see a lot of group owners do is that they say, hey, so introduce yourself, introduce yourself in the pin post. And people don't have buy-in yet. People don't have a reason to really follow your lead, okay? Because they don't know you yet. So the way to do this is to create and gamify the indoctrination process. So the way that I've done it, we do the pirate theme inside of Organic Marketing Secrets. In fact, it's become so widespread now that we kind of call ourselves the Organic Marketing Ship, and we're all captains. And I frame it that way so that when people are coming in, they go, oh, wait a minute, pirates are not necessarily good. We go, whoa, 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 reframe. It's an ethical pirate, and we're all about taking responsibility for our life, we're the captains of our ship, of our life and of our destiny. And then that kind of leads people to the next piece, and then next thing you know, they've been through 20 to 30 different posts that are in a consecutive order, and they have now been indoctrinated into the group, and the group doesn't have any crickets in it. So that's the deal, okay? So that's how you avoid a Facebook group that doesn't have crickets.